Hey y'all, what's up? Okay, so today I'm gonna be doing a long pixie cut. I will not be showing you guys how I cut the hair on camera because I cut it like maybe 4 or 5 days ago, and I was just happy go lucky cutting. So it might look a little messed up, but it is what it is. You win some, you lose some. But I'm just doing this for fun, honestly. This video is not for to be taken as serious, but at the same time it is. This wig is probably like 4 to 6 months old. It used to be a curly unit, like really curly unit. If you follow me on Instagram, you've probably seen it before. I had it, like I said, maybe 4 or 6 months ago. Yeah, this wig is really old. But like I said, because it's old, I've cut a lot of this lace off. There's not really a lot left. As many times I didn't restyle this wig. Cause I feel like if you pay a lot of money for something, you're gonna keep using it. And I paid like a lot of money for this wig. It's 100% human hair. I don't wear synthetic hair. It's 100% human hair. But as you can see right here, plucking the front of it because, like I said, I've cut the lace plenty of times, and yes, these knots are also bleached, so that's why it looks the way it looks. It gives you more that realistic look. And when it gets melted, baby, it looks straight up like scalp. But yeah, I styled this wig before this, like the day that I cut it, I styled it. So that's why it still has like somewhat of a curl to it in the front, because this is not my first time installing it. This is probably, like I said, my second time. So yeah, what I'm about to do right here is like I said, okay, my stocking cap, right? We don't come for me, don't get on me, because I know it looks crazy. I was being really lazy, didn't feel like going downstairs to get a different one, and I'm just showing you all the products I'll be using. I'm using 70% alcohol. I wish I had 90%, but it's okay. I'm using 70% alcohol. And you probably seen all those other products. It's a lot of them. And I used their Remington, I think, or is it Conair? I don't know. That's my flat iron. But right here, all I'm doing is taking the Got To Be Glued, the yellow bottle, and putting it on my edges. Well, what's left of my edges? We're not gonna talk about it. And just slicking them back so they don't get more destroyed than they already are. So yeah, all I'm doing is slicking those back so it'll be out of the way. Yeah, that's it. So just keep watching. Okay, so in this clip coming up, I'll be using my Maybelline Fit Me powder in the color 360 to put underneath my lace. Sometimes I put it underneath my lace, sometimes I put it on the cap, but I always put it on the I don't even know what that is, but it's on the outside of my hand. And I always put that on the inside of my lace, dust it a little bit so that it matches with my skin tone a lot better. Like I said, sometimes I even put it on my stocking caps. So like if I have like a really light lace, I'll put it on both so that it makes the lace a little bit darker to match my skin tone as perfect as possible. Just a heads up, I'm making a lot of funny faces just because this, like I said, this video is not to be taken too serious. I mainly just want you guys to focus on how melted my lace is and how it really matches my my skin tone. And what I just used right there is the Garnier Fructis flat iron protectant / heat protectant, whatever you want to call it. To me, honestly, it works as a heat protectant and as a blow dryer protectant, in my opinion. Even though it's really used to for flat iron protectant, I still use it for both. Alright, so now here, all I'm doing is using my Got To Be Blast and Breeze spray, whatever it's called. It's in the yellow can. I use that about 3 or 4 times. Spray it on my skin and then blow dry it until it gets tacky. And I do that probably about 3 or 4 times, and then I lay my lace down on top of it, and then I put I used a bandana because, like I said, this is a very lazy video, so I didn't feel like going downstairs to get my silk scarf to tie my hair down like I usually would. But yeah, a lot of people don't really realize a lot of dirt is on your forehead. That's why I went back after I sprayed that first layer. I forgot that I didn't scrub off the dirt, so I just went over it and did it. Yeah, this was gonna be a really lazy video, so all I'm doing right here is taking out like 1 inch sections and flat ironing it straight out. And yeah, like I said, it's gonna be a lazy video, so I didn't feel like going downstairs to go get my rubber bands or my duck clips, so I just used one of my combs to keep the rest of my hair from moving in my way. So yeah, I just take a small tooth comb out the hair, and then do the comb and chase method. I think, yeah, I do the comb and chase method with the flat iron and the small tooth comb, and I do that all around my hair. And So in this next clip, I'll be going back in over my whole head and adding a little bump, as they say, as they call it, a little bump to the hair to make it look a little more sleek, I guess. I add a little bump into it. But this time when I go back in, I do like 2-inch sections instead of 1 inch, because I flat iron the hair already. So all I'm doing is just go back in and bumping it. And when I bump it, I pull the flat iron away from my face so that it gives the away from your face look. Yeah, so that's all I'm about to do for the next couple minutes. Yeah, so just keep watching, y'all. So as you can see, right, I don't really know what I want to do with this hair. I don't know how I want to style it, because right now it's giving me real church lady vibes right now. So I don't know. I'm going to just keep combing it until I like the way that it looks. And like I said, I'm going to be combing it for a while, honestly. I'm really just trying to figure out the feel and the way it frames, the way I want it to frame my face and whatnot. All right, y'all, don't cover me, because when I shook my hair didn't fully move, but it's okay. It's okay. You know, it's still human hair. Don't try to play me now. It's just that it's old, so it don't move the way it used to. But right here, I'm just defining my part, honestly, with an angle brush and just throwing some of the 360 Maybelline color foundation to make my part pop out some more. Like I said, I told you already, I'm gonna keep combing his hair until I like the way it looks. And like I said, it's gonna be a long time. I'm gonna keep combing through this hair. But yeah, the rest of this video is basically just me playing with the hair, trying to figure out the desired way that I like it and whatnot. Well, since I really didn't like it that much, so I went and put on some lashes just to see what it would look like with the haircut. And then I trimmed down the sides just a little bit because it was a little too long for me. I probably should have pulled some more of that hair behind my ear, but that's okay. Yeah, that's all right. So yeah, y'all remember when I was like, it's giving me very much so church lady vibes? Now it's giving me, let's see, bougie auntie vibes. So when I say bougie auntie vibes, I mean like bougie auntie vibes with sunglasses. The bougie auntie that comes to the barbecue. And she pull up in her little nice car or whatever. Yeah, that's what it's giving me now. So, I had to throw on my shades. I had to throw on my shades to grab my little purse or whatever and give you real auntie vibes. You know what I'm saying? Now I'm just playing, y'all. Thank you guys for watching this video. The video is over. It's just me playing around with the hair, honestly. But like I said, thank you guys for watching all the way through this video. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys for all the support. and whatnot. And yeah, I'm adding some pictures right here. Thank you guys for watching my video. If you guys did not know, I do sell lashes. I'm gonna insert them like right here, right now. Yeah, those are my lashes. If you got any questions, feel free to inbox me. Thank you guys for watching. Deuces.